Hello, this is Ki with RunScore. Today we're going to cover the announce function, and we're going to show you how to use the announce commands to go ahead and provide information to an announcer prior to the finish line that will be able to call out the information for the athletes as they approach the finish line. Very simple system, very easy to use. We're going to create a listing file and we call it announce. We're going to go ahead and edit that, and notice we use the announce headers, which will put the headers across the top. Announce header, we'll go ahead and put them on the left column. The announce is no squeeze. We don't want we want all the columns to line up when we're in columns. And for the announce event, we're going to comment that out for right now. This will allow us to get the information directly from an event with a transponder system to pass that data to the announcer. Again, we'll put in all the things here. Full screen is nice to use on a RunScore client, which would be set out in front of the finish line for the announcer to use, and all the information we want to display. Line feed will just give us a little bit more spread on the data. So when we go ahead and run this, let's move this up here. Let's go ahead and run the announce screen. Here's the information we got in columns, and we're going to go ahead and type in bib number 11. Notice we have bib number 11, Miller Avery, information 22, 33, 44. Now this would be used with a keypad out prior to the finish line, and as the people start approaching, you'd type in those numbers and you'd get all this information. Very nice, very simple, and you can add any other fields that you want to display. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and talk about this using an event. This is the way that all you transponder systems would want to do: set up a set of equipment out in front, and we're going to now send all that information into an event called announce. We're going to go ahead and make sure that we have an announce field created. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and run announce, but we're going to put in some simulated times in there that would approximate what would happen when you actually pass transponder reads. So we're going to go to simulate race. We're going to select announce. We're going to do OK. We're going to do it as a 5K, and we're going to start passing that data. Notice as each one of those is read across, that information will be passing, and it'll scroll as the people are coming across, so the announcer could pick several of these and start reading them out, or all the other things on that. Very simple, very easy. You can add all sorts of data on that to give additional information. The nice thing about this is at the end, if we wanted to go ahead and show people their results, we'll get rid of the announce event. We're going to go down here and we're going to type in event finish minus our gun time. We're going to go ahead and do this. We'll go again to at the finish line, or in one of the areas, we're going to go ahead and say, let's see what the time was for Miller Avery. Let's see what the time was for, well, 22 did not finish. 33 didn't finish. 55 finished. 66 finished. So again, you can pass all this information. They can look, actually can have this set up so the actual athlete types in their own information to look up their results at a laptop near the finish line. Again, very simple function. There's some advanced functions in here to show lap races during a race and other information like that. We'll go ahead and let you experiment or read that more in help for the future. Have a nice day. We'll talk to you on the next video.